Hi guys, this is a quick review of the sounds on my new Olton haul from Hornby. I bought it through Hattons and they installed the sound chip, which is a Locksound V4. I'm assuming the sounds come from ESU. Unfortunately they didn't supply me with an instruction leaflet telling me what sounds there are. I've so far figured out that there are 12 different sound functions, so we'll have a quick run through and I'll be able to show you all of them. One of them only works as the loco moves off, which I believe is rail squeal, and once it gets up to a certain speed it cuts out, kind of fades itself out. So we'll start off. Obviously number one is sound on. Number two, the extra sounds as well, the coal shoveling and all that, it kind of sinks itself through, just kind of, random sounding, which I think is actually quite a good feature. Sounds quite good. Number two, we've got two short whistles. Number three, we've got a longer whistle. Number four, I'm pretty sure that sounds like safety valves lifting or cylinder cocks blowing off. Number five, that's for manual operation of the coal shoveling. Number six, I just think that one sounds more like the cylinder cocks blowing off than the other one, so possibly the other one's a safety valve because you get the really sharp start of it. Number seven is guard's whistle. Number eight is another whistle. Number nine, I'm not quite sure what that one is. I have a feeling it could be buffer clank, possibly. Number 10, that one sounds like the coupler to me. Number 11 is the rail squeal for when it moves off. And number 12 is possibly an injector. Pretty sure that one sounds like the injector. So now we'll give her a wee run and see how she sounds. Back in a minute.